Welcome to Programming Knowledge. Today I'm going to talk about how to use the keypad voice 4 on Arduino and how to use it. First of all, we have to code the keypad voice 4 by hand, and then we will use library for easy. Okay, let's go. This is the pinout diagram of keypad voice 4, and as you see on the left, that is the circuit inside the keypad, and on the right is the keypad I will use in this video. The keypad has 8 pins from the left to right. First 4 pins are rows and the rest pins are column. Okay, the circuit inside the keypad, each pin is a button. One pin of button is connected to rows and the other pin is connected to column. All a button in a rows are connected together with the pin left, and with the pin right are connected together in the column. Okay, okay, next is how we initialize the keypad. First of all, we will set output to rows and set input to column. Okay, and with row we will set low voltage output. This means we will make an output on rows, the output low voltage, and with the column we will set input pull up. This is the internal resistor. If you don't know what is it, you can watch the previous video. Okay, and when we set the input pull up, this means the column has default status is high. Okay, it's always high and always wait to receive the signal from the peripheral device. Okay, and after we initialize, this is the keypad status. As you see, all the rows are low voltage and all the columns are high voltage. Okay, next we will know how to check the press. I assume I will press the key 8. Okay, I will press the key 8, and after I press the key 8, the C2 will receive low signal from R3. Okay, R3 will transfer the low voltage to the C2 because I pressed the button key A, and because I pressed the key A on the row C2, so we just check the row C2. Okay, first of all we will set the R1 to high voltage. This means we will change from low voltage to high voltage. Okay, and then we will check whether the C2 status is changed. This means we will check this column. If it changes from low to high, we will know the key in this column is pressed. Okay, if not, check to the next row, next row, next row. If it's changed, we will print to the serial monitor for user know. Okay, and then we will set all rows to low again to check the other. Check here, we will have to check the next row. Okay, next we will set R2 to high voltage and then check whether C2 status is changed. Okay, but it doesn't change, so check the next row. Okay, check the next row, and in the next row, the row 3 set high voltage and then check whether the C2 status is changed. At this time we see, because I pressed the key 8 and the key 8 on the row 3, so when I set the 3 to high voltage, the column 2 will receive the high signal. So if change, bring to 0. Now I will bring the key 8 to serial monitor and then set all rows to low again. In this step we have to print and then done. But if I press the key on the last row, we have to check it. Okay, this is the diagram of keypad and Arduino. On the left is the rows and on the right is the column. I will connect row to the 4, 5, 6, 7, and I will connect the column to the 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. Okay, now I will code first. Default, we have two default function, that is setup, and the second is loop. Okay, in setup, as I said, we have to set on rows e output low voltage. So my row is from 4 to 7. So this is from 4 to lesser than 8 e plus plus. Okay, this we have pin mod if output, and then digital write low voltage to e pins to low. Okay, and then to the column, this means set on rows output low voltage. With the column, we have to set it to input pull up. So we have for from in e is 8 to 12 because we from 8, 9, and 11. In mode e input pull up. Okay, this is set on column is input with high status. Okay. Okay, that's it. Initialize the keypad. So now we will check the press button on the column 2. I have some rep key 8. So I will check this column. Give you the algorithm like the slide. First set R1 to high. And then check C2. Okay. But first of all, I will determine the column I want to check. That is the column 2, right? Because the key 8 on the column 2, and the column 2 is connected to pin 9. Okay, if digital read 9 E0, that means when I press the button in the column 2, okay, the column 2 will be pulled to low. Okay, now we will set the R1 to high. Digital write R1 right here is pin number 4. High. And then we will check the C2. If digital read 9 E0, we will print out to the serial monitor. Okay. Serial.print. Print the first key E2 because this is the first situation. Okay. And if the user don't press the key 2, we will check the next. Else, right here we will set to the R2 to high and check C2 again. Okay. Right here I will digital write 5. The R2 is in 5. And next check digital read 9 E0. Okay. If it change, I will print to the serial monitor. Key 5. If not, check again. Else, right here we set R3 to high and then check C2 again. Okay. Digital write. My R3 is pin 6. And next, check the column 2. 0.print. Okay, right here I will print 8. Okay, we can stop at this step. But if I press the key 0, okay, I will lose it. Now I will check on the rows to know which keypad is pressed on a column. Okay, so I also check the key 0, digital write 7 is the last row. High. And if digital read 9 E0 0.print 0. Okay, 0 is the last key on the row 2. And else don't do anything because the key 0 is the last key. Okay, I forgot here. Okay, and then we have to set on the row to low again for check the next key for in I bằng or e lesser than 8 e plus plus, and then digital write E to low again. Okay. Sorry, this we will check it change from low to high because so I will change it to high. Sorry, high. This is high. This is high. Okay. Okay. Now I will connect my circuit. I have already connected some wires to my keypad, so now I will connect to my Arduino. Okay. First, I will connect rows to pin 4, row 2 to pin 5, row 3 to pin 6, and the last row to pin 7. Okay, and next to the first column to pin A, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, okay, here. Now we connect my Arduino to laptop. Okay, right here. Okay. Now I will upload my code to the Arduino. Let's check what happened. Okay. And 17. Okay, let's upload and check the serial monitor. Oh, sorry. Okay, let's check. Okay. Now I will try to press 2. Oh, nothing happened. Okay, let's check again. Sorry, I forgot to 0.print in 9600. Okay, again. Okay, now I will press 2. As you see, the key 2 is print to the serial monitor. I will press 5, press 8, and press 0. Okay, but you see, it's print too fast, so I can determine which key is print, which key is pressed. So I will put a delay right here. 5, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now let's check. It will check the press key slower. Okay, now press 2, press 5, press 8, press and hold a little bit. Okay, 0, 2, 2, 2, 5, 5, 5, 8, 8, 8, 0, 0. Okay, this is how we use the keypad from algorithm. So now I will use the library to use easily. Okay, first of all, you have to move to Sketch, include library, manage library. Okay, and then you have to type here is keypad, and you need to find the keypad by Mark Stanley. Okay, the version you can download any version you want, then install. Okay, after install, you have the library of keypad on Arduino IDE. Okay, now we'll open the example of keypad from library. Okay, you move to Files, Example, find the keypad, here keypad, and custom keypad. This is the project custom keypad. Okay, but right here, you see, you have to change a little bit about key on your keypad. With our keypad, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, sorry, 8. This is 4, 5, 6. B, 7, 8, 9, and this is C, this is D, this is 0, 0, this is star. Okay, after that you have to change the rows and the column. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, and this is 8, 9. You have to change it 10 and 11. Okay, everything is done. Now I will upload to my Arduino. Open the serial monitor. Now I will try to press 2. Okay, 5, 8, 0, 1, 4, 7 star, 3, 8, 6 B, 9 C. Okay, you can see it. All of the keys print to the serial monitor. Okay, this is the way you use the library to use keypad for easily. Okay, besides that, you can use the code of yourself to easy handle. Okay, there are two ways to use this, and there are many projects right here of keypad. You can check it to see what happened with your keypad. Okay, thank you for watching this video.